Welcome back, children. In the last class, we had discussed what is rational numbers. Okay, just a quick recap. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers can be in the form m upon n, okay, or any letters, no, p upon q. Only thing is that m and n should be integers. M and n should be integers, and n should not be equal to 0. M and n should be integers and n should not be equal to 0. Okay, today we will start with our practice set, and in today's class we will learn how to represent rational numbers on a number line. Okay, we will show rational numbers on a number line. For that, you be ready with your scale and pen. So we will represent 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2 and minus 3 upon 2 on a number line. I have just drawn a line. We will plot the numbers on it. Okay. So just somewhere you take a 0, mark a 0. Be along with me. Then keeping somewhat same distance. If you want, you can take 1 centimeter, or if you want, you can take 2 centimeter. So that you people can see clearly. I'll take 2 centimeter gap. So from 0, 2 centimeter gap, and I'll plot 1. Same distance you keep, it can be 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter. So 2 and 3. Same way on the left side of 0, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Okay. So after plotting the points, now look at the question. What are the rational numbers that we have to show on this number line? 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2. Now you have to look at the denominator. What is the first step? Look at the denominator. What is the denominator? 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So we will divide 0 to 1 into 2 equal parts by just dividing it. Show a dot here. Okay. 1 point. So this 0 to 1 got divided into 2 parts. This is one part and this is the second part. Okay, so same way 2. Once again I repeat, you look at the denominator. Denominator is 2. 2 minus 1 means 1. So we will divide it into 2 parts by just putting a 1 dot. Okay, again here 1 and 2 divide 1 dot. Same way we will do on the left side. 0 to minus 1 divide it into 2 parts by putting a dot here. Minus 1 and 2, 1 dot. Understood? That will be the first. Once again I repeat, these are the numbers that we have to plot on the number line. Okay, you will look at the denominator. What is the denominator? 2. So you will subtract 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So you will put 1 dot. Okay, you will divide 0 to 1 by putting a dot. So I'll put a dot here. Again from 1 to 2, 1 dot. Again 2 to 3, 1 dot. Same way on the left side, 0 to minus 1, 1 dot. Minus 1 to minus 2, 1 dot. Now we will start counting. What we will do? After 0, the next one will be, the next dot will be 1 upon 2. So this will be 1 upon 2. You don't write, just listen. The next number will be 2 upon 2. And 2 upon 2 is nothing but 2 and 2 will get cancelled and we'll get 1. So it is correct, no? Okay. So 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2. This will be 3 upon 2. This will be 4 upon 2. 4 upon 2 will give you again a 2. So we are correct. After 4 upon 2, this will be 5 upon 2. And this will be 6 upon 2. What is 6 upon 2? 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So same 3 is on the number line. Okay, understood? Same way, talk about the left side. After 0, the next dot will be minus 1 upon 2. This will be minus 2 upon 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled and you get minus 1. Minus 3 upon 2. Minus 4 upon 2 and so on. But we need not plot all the, so the first number is 3 upon 2. How will you plot 3 upon 2? After 0. First dot will be, after 0 next number is 1, no? So 1 upon 2. This will be 2 upon 2. Next dot. This will be 3 upon 2. So this highlighted and write it as 3 upon 2 because 3 upon 2 is asked. Other numbers you know no need to show that. Then give a name also for this number. Let us give a coordinate. Let us show it as A, B or C. We will give a name. Point A. Okay. Next number is 5 upon 2. Now again start. After 0, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 4 upon 2, 5 upon 2. So this is 5 upon 2. Again we will give a name. We will give it as point B. Understood? Next number is minus 3 upon 2. Now minus will come on right side or left side? It will come on left side of 0. From 0, first dot will be minus 1 upon 2, minus 2 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2. So here you will get minus 3 upon 2. Give it as C. So now we represented all these rational numbers on a number line. Okay. First sum you may understand 50%. Now in the next sum you will get it full 100%. Okay. So let's start with those who did not understand the previous sum, pay attention here. Okay. Now the numbers that we have to show on the number line are 7 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5 and minus 4 upon 5. What is the first step? You have to look at the denominator. What are the denominators? 5. Okay. 5 is the denominator. Now you subtract. I gave you one trick, no? How to do this? You subtract 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay? Keep this number in your mind. Now let us put the numbers on the number line. Mark 0 somewhere here. Then skipping the distance same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this distance roughly you take. Okay, roughly means I can take it roughly, it is looking same. You people, what you do, you take the distance between 0 and 1 as 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter. That upon you. Same way, onto the left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. I can plot only till 3. Okay, till here. Now what is the next step? Denominator is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So what will you do now? We have to put 4 dots. 4 means 4 dots. So after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots I'll put. So after 0, between 0 and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you put 4 dots, automatically from 0 to 1 it will be divided into 5 parts. Okay. Part number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood the trick? So if it is 5, you will subtract 5 minus 1, 4. You will put 4 dots. Same way, after 1 to 2, put 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way, 2 to 3, put 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 to 4, put 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you put 4 dots, automatically 1 and 2 will be divided into 5 equal parts. 2 and 3 will be divided into 5 parts. Now equal parts, that doesn't matter. We will not measure that distance. Only we want to see whether you know to represent these numbers on number line. Understood? Same way we will do on the left side. 0 to minus 1 will put 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over till here. Now you will take the first number. First number is 7 upon 5. 7 upon 5 is a positive number. So it will come on right side of 0. 7 upon 5. What is the thing that you will do? You will start counting. After 0, first dot will be 1 upon, what is the denominator? 5. After 0, 1 upon 5. Second dot will be 2 upon 5. Third dot will be 3 upon 5. 4 upon 5. 5 upon 5. 6 upon 5. 7 upon 5. So, after 1, the second dot will be 7 upon 5. Give this a name. Suppose this is P. Is it clear now? Same way, minus 2 upon 5. Minus 2 means you will plot it on the left side of 0. Again, let us start from after 0. The next dot will be 1 upon 5. If the denominator is 5, then 1 upon 5. Okay. So, 1 upon, minus 1 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5. So, this is what you want. Minus 2 upon 5. Highlight it. Give it a name. I'll give it as Q. Understood? Okay. The last one you do. Yeah, plot it. I'm waiting. Later on I'll do it. And we'll check. Plot it? Yes. How did you plot? After 0, because it's negative number, so on the left side. After 0, first dot, 1 up, minus 1 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5, and this is minus 4 upon 5. Minus 4 upon 5. Okay, then give a name S. Done? So you have plotted the numbers on a number line. Now let's start with the third sum. Now let's start with the third sum. Only two numbers we have to plot. First number is minus 5 upon 8 and second number is 11 upon 8. One is negative number. Negative number will come on left side. Positive number will come on right side. Okay. First let us put 0, 1, 2, 3. Now see 11. 11 means you will have to count after 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want more space on right side. So like that, see the number, work it in your mind and then select space. Left side we have only 5, So from after 0, here you want less space, whereas here you have to reach till 11. So you need more space on the right side. So I'll put 0 here, okay. Then 1 centimeter gap you can take or 2 centimeter gap. 2, 3, okay, I'll adjust 4 also. Left side, minus 1, minus 2. Done? Now what is that trick which I told you? See the denominator. Denominator is 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So how many dots will you put? You will put 7 dots. So after 0, let us put 7 dots till 1. 0, between 0 and 1, you will put 7 dots. So put it wisely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when I put 7 dots, automatically this 0 to 1 will be divided into 8 parts. You can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? Same way, let us put 7 dots between 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roughly you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? It should not be more than 7. Same way on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1 to minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Somehow I adjusted. Okay? Now let us start counting. We want minus 5 upon 8. Minus means on the left side of 0. So from 0, the first dot will be minus 1 upon 8, minus 2 upon 8, minus 3 upon 8, minus 4 upon 8, minus 5 upon 8. Highlight it. Write minus 5 upon 8. Give it a name. Point M. Easy? Okay. Now the next number is 11 upon 8. How will you represent 11 upon 8? 11 upon 8 is positive number, so it will come on right side. So after 0, start counting. First dot 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 7 upon 8, 8 upon 8, 9 upon 8, 10 upon 8, 11 upon 8. So this will be 11 upon 8. Give a name, point N. Is it done? Okay. So now you might be master in plotting the numbers, showing plotting rational numbers on number line. Very easy. So last sum, come on, do it. Now last time I told you to do on your own. Check whether our answers are matching. First number is 13 upon 10 and this is minus 17 upon 10. So I told you, check the numbers. Minus 17 means we want more numbers, more space on the left side. So somewhere here I'll put 0. Okay. 1. Keep 2 centimeter distance. 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, and so on. Now, here we have 10 as the denominator. So, 10 minus 1 means 9. How many dots will you put? You will put 9 dots. So, after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Adjust it. Same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots. Same way on to the left side, after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots. Now let us start counting. First number is 13 upon 10. Positive number, so it will come on right side of 0. After 0 you will start 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 10, 7 upon 10, 8 upon 10, 9 upon 10, 10 upon 10, 11 upon 10, 12 upon 10 and we got here 13 upon 10. After 1, the third dot, no? 13 upon 10. Here I will give it as name X. Last one is minus 17 upon 10. So, left side, after 0 you will start with minus 1 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16, minus 17. So, minus 17 upon 10. This I will name it as Y. Okay, so like this we know to plot rational numbers on a number line. Remember the trick? Denominator minus 1. Whatever number you get, that many dots you will put. Okay, so this means that if it is 9, that means you are dividing the number into 10 equal parts. From 0 to 1, you have 10 equal parts. Okay, 10 equal parts. 1 to 2 you have 10 parts. Okay. So today we learned how to plot rational numbers on a number line. Practice it well till we meet for the next time. Take care children. Bye.